All right, Toy Run 2020 Kitimat. We're at Lake House Lake right now. This could be video 2 or video 1. We're not sure. I caught some chatter that people don't want to hear, so we'll see if that comes through or not. And if it does, then this will be video 1. If it doesn't, this will be video 2. So the run started. It drizzled a tiny bit, but the weather held up. Look at this Indian. Look at this thing. Oh man, I like that bike.
This is just straight up.
Really like that bike.
I've done nothing but the Sportster run. That's kind of the category it's sitting in. Just has a bit more horse than the Sportster.
I mean, water cool.
Water cool. It's got 100 horse right off the back stock. So a little bit of mods, I can get it up to 150.
All right, don't talk about anything that you can't.
How's it going, buddy?
Not bad, brother. Thanks, my man.
Yeah.
See hi to everybody. I'll show my bike.
Can't be in such a hurry. You're going to hurt something. Not on my watch.
Well, he is. I don't know where the fuck he is. You mentioned
Just starting to drizzle on me again, so let's hope the motorcycle gods hold up for us. So far, so good. These guys are parking too far. Look at this Indian, gigantic. My buddy's Johnny's bike. All right, let's see if we can catch the line here. We got a poker line up, and we got some bikes, so we're gonna do them all. Try to sneak them into this one video. Comes the rain a little bit. Let's see if we see any. I don't know if you can see that rain in the puddle or not. It's barely raining. My buddy Jerry's bike.
Not starting and it's not there like when you
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
and then it started fucking going its way.
Got a little cafe racer here.
Just trying to creep through the season.
yeah, well, nobody had that.
I was on the ground.
Can't get away, you guys.
Hey!
All right, everybody. Cheers. We'll catch you in the next video.